Do you want a surround sound system, but it's just not in your budget? Well, don't worry, because if you have a Bluetooth speaker and a PC with Windows 10 or above, you can use Nahimic's Easy Surround feature in order to set up a mini surround sound system at your home. Now I'm going to show you how to install Nahimic in your PC. First, open Microsoft Store. Then search Nahimic. Click on Nahimic right here. As you can see here, I have already installed Nahimic. If you didn't, you can see install right here. You just have to click that and install Nahimic. Now take your speaker and turn it on. And now you have to connect to your speaker. So I'm going to head over to Bluetooth. And you can see this is my speaker, HPS 6000. So I'm going to connect to that. After you're connected, go ahead and open up Nahimic. And then head over to Easy Surround and turn it on. We have already connected our Bluetooth speaker, so just hit next. Now you have to place your Bluetooth speaker. Now you have to place your speaker behind you. So I'm just gonna place it over there. After that, you can click next. Now you have to select your front speaker. It has already selected my laptop speakers by default, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Here we have to select our rear speaker. The rear speaker has to be a Bluetooth speaker. I have only connected one Bluetooth speaker, so I'm just gonna select that. Now hit next. Now press start. Here you have to hit play, and then a sound will come from both the speakers. And then you have to adjust the delay so that the sound comes from both the speakers at the same time. Now click done. Now you have successfully set up your surround sound system. If you want to test your surround sound system, you can just click play over here.
Warning.
What?
Warning.
What's going on?
Brace for impact.
What's going on, volumes?
Please return to the ship.
No!
That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.